So every show you do, everything you do, trunk show, pop up, whatever it is, there's going to be the moment or moments of slow. It's just, that's what it is. Like if you think about it, the sun doesn't shine 24 hours a day because it's an ebb and flow. That's what life is. And that carries through everything, through every business, through every project, everything. You have those moments of what the heck am I doing? I'm Catherine Story. I am a fashion designer for 20 plus years, and I always like to push myself to do new things. So I'm actually in Round Top, Texas. I've been told for years to do this show. I've done so many different shows. I have a boutique in California for over 20 years. I've shown in Europe. I live in Miami part-time. And it's so funny. So I have experience. So I know this moment is coming where I'm wondering what I'm doing. So the one thing with this show is it's a 2-week show. I'm at I think this is day 5 of the actual show, which I love a 5-day show because in and out, people are not dragging their feet. This show, what I'm finding is, you think like she's got tents like this, like she's not going to put those tents up for 1 week. It's a lot of work. So she's actually got us come, like we're in a week early. Most of the shows start next on the weekend and the customers of course know that there's only not everyone's coming in this early. So, and it's cold. I thought Texas was going to be hot. I don't know. So anyways, how do you keep your spirits up? How do you keep your eye on what it is that you said you want? Well, my goal was to 10 times, to give everything that I'm doing with this show 10 times the amount of effort. So if I'm let's just say, like I just talked to really the first customer of the day this morning. And, maybe she wasn't a client, maybe she was. She showed interest in my product and my pieces. And so I just gave her everything I had. I gave her everything I had and more. And the universe responds to somebody and to that vibration of sharing and giving. And regardless of if this person was buying or not, it's about a vibrational exchange. A lot of the people around me are talking about our location and have opinions about that. And, it's our first year. We're not probably in the most, ideal location. But is that what we're going to talk about? Are we going to be late? Are we going to just sit there and look up and judge the client by what they're wearing? I've learned that lesson 100 years ago in Laguna, having a store. You can never judge what somebody's wearing. So I don't know. I just thought I'm saying this to pep me up too. Actually, I feel pretty pepped because like I said, I've done so many shows. Listen to the birds. It's beautiful here. It's just just do that. Just keep doing that, giving that 100% times 10 to life. To make any changes in your world, you have to rev up that vibration. You have to do massive amounts of change inside in your vibration. You have to keep reaching for more. If you're reaching for a spiritual attainment, you have to reach further than you're grasping. So, have that moment, go to the bathroom, get a cup of coffee, whatever it is that is going to feed your soul for a minute, and then get back in there and freaking talk to everybody. Have your face lit up with a big smile. I think what I'm learning this trip has really been, I learned it actually right before I left Laguna. I was feeling that smile. I was seeing how when I smiled, people smile back. And so that's powerful. So think about that. If you're smiling and you're getting the reflection of a smile outside of you, what's happening when you're really giving to somebody and listening to somebody and sharing what your work is? You're getting that vibration back. You may not see it that minute, but honestly, it's money in the bank. It may take 6 months. You may have a lot of karma to burn on some things. Believe me, I've been doing this my whole life, and every show I've done, I broke, except for one, I've definitely broken even or more. This show, I've already broken even. So I know when the people really come, I'm going to kill it, baby. So let's go. Keep your head up. Keep your eye focused on the target. Give 10 times. 10 times what you're used to doing. Do it more.